And now for something completely different.
And again, the internet is not something that you just dump something on. It's not a big truck. It's a series of tubes.
I don't know what we're yelling about! Stop breaking the law, asshole! Step into my office. Why? Because you're f***ing fired.
Whoa, this is what crack must feel like.
Here's an impression of me on coffee. I've had some coffee. Oh.
I think I'm entitled. You want answers. I want the truth. You can't handle the truth.
What the f*** is that?
I feel like I'm taking crazy pills.